Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to check whether a given year is a leap year. So let's start it. In the first line, this line defines a function named isLeapYear that takes one parameter year. The function is designed to determine whether the given year is a leap year or not. Now, this is the conditional check for whether the year is a leap year. So, a year is a leap year if it is divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100, or it is divisible by 400. So, let's check this condition. Here, it checks if the given year is divisible by 4. Now, here it checks if the given year is not divisible by 100, and here it checks if the given year is divisible by 400. Now, in the next line, if the condition in the if statement evaluates to true, this line returns true, indicating that the given year is the leap year. Or, if the condition in the if statement is false, this block executes and returns false, indicating that the year is not the leap year. Now, in the next line, this line asks the user to input a year so that we can check the inputted year is a leap year or not. Now, the next line, this line calls the isLeapYear function with the user provided year as an argument. If the function returns true, that is, the year is a leap year, the block under the if statement executes. Now, in the last part, this line prints message indicating that the year is a leap year. Now, in the else part, if the isLeapYear function returns false, this block executes and prints a message indicating that the year is not a leap year. So, let's check this. As I am entering 2045, hence 2045 is not a leap year. We can check it once again. I am entering 2000. Hence 2000 is a leap year. So, thanks for watching this video.